So here we are at the 165. So yeah, thanks very much to the guys over at QTP for sending me out a set of indicators for it and the indicator switch. Probably one of the easiest indicator switches I have ever fitted, because everything, the relay, everything is built into the switch itself and it is truly universal. So I'm going to take it out of the box, I'm going to have a look through it, see what's in the box, see what they sent over, and then I'm going to fit it on the tractor, wire it up, and let's see how they work. So first up is the little switch itself. So there it is. There is the details, product code number. So yeah, it's just a little switch with all the relevant relays built into it, everything that needs a switch, left to right obviously. So basically all you have is a power feed coming in, so power feed coming in the top terminal, and then you have a left and a right terminal, and then it gets its earth through the opposite bulb. So if you've left and right and you've got the right indicator on, it earth through the left hand side and vice versa. So very, very simple. So you just obviously have a nut there like them all, big nut there, screw it off and screw it into the dash. So next then is the two Lollipop lights. So they're the lights for the side, and there's the product code there. 3766 is the product code. And there's the Lollipop light itself. So it'll be mounted there on the mudguard. Obviously an earth wire and a live wire. Very, very simple. And they do use just a standard capped 21 watt bulb. You can put a different wattage bulb into it if you want as well. So it will work. The system will work with different wattage bulbs. This one that came in them was a 21 watt. And I have to say, on first impressions, it is a very good quality. They're not plasticky. That is a metal sort of material. The lens is good and strong. I had the two lenses out there. They are good and strong. It's not a flimsy piece of equipment. It is a good sturdy light. So yeah, let's get fitting it now. They did also send me down these brackets for the Butler style. So that's if you have a different type of mudguard, it can fit on to the curved, the curved mudguard like on the 35s and that. Some of the earlier ones, not the square mudguard. So they did send me them, and now I don't have a use for them, but I might in the future. So I'll be hanging on to them. And it is a good adapter. It's a good adapter bit, good and strong. The quality seems excellent. And the product code for those brackets is 61625. So mudguard lamp bracket 35, the Butler style. Okay, so that's them. And they also did throw me in this fusible link. So just a fusible link. Obviously, if you're wiring up an electrical, the first thing you need is power supply and a fuse. So yeah, I've just basically took a live feed off the battery through a fusible link. There's no fuse in it at the minute, so that'll be the last thing to go in, and just run the wire out through the hole here where the switch is going. So that's the two of them mounted now. Very simple, 10-minute job. Straight down through the mudguard. Look very smart. They don't hang out over the edge of the mudguard. They're not too big and awkward. They're nice and tidy. So yeah, nice job. So all that's left to do now is run the wires from the switch up to the lights, get them earthed and get them working. And as you can see, that was a video I made some months back when you look at the sunshine, and the sunglasses not so hot and not so sunny today. But anyway, thanks again to the guys at QTP for sending those parts to me, for testing them and for fitting them onto the tractor. Yeah, very easy, very straightforward and simple. Anybody can put them on. If you want more information, you can contact me or contact QTP themselves or any of the nearest stockists. Okay guys, thanks a million for watching.